In today's video, I'll show you how to create an album cover style opening where your video is revealed in a clean and stylish layout, similar to how music albums are presented. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Since this effect is meant for the beginning, it should be applied right at the start of the clip. Now, tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the beginning. Scroll through the animations until you find Album Cover, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, you'll see your video revealed in a neat album style format, giving it a polished and creative look. To adjust how this reveal feels, use the duration slider. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and energetic, while a longer duration gives a smoother and more aesthetic presentation. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it fits the rhythm and style of your content. And that's it. You've successfully added an album cover style reveal in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.